Let me show you how to model this lip tint in Blender. Press Shift-A, go to Mesh, and add an ICO sphere. Press Tab to enter edit mode, select half of the faces, and delete them. Activating Loop Tools for better control. Go to Preferences, open the Add-ons tab, and enable Loop Tools. Select the circular edge loops. Right-click, go to Loop Tools, and select Circle. Set transform orientation to normal and scale the circles along the z-axis. Delete the center faces to create an open top. Select the circular edges, press F to fill them with a new face. Press Ctrl-A and apply all transforms. Go to Edit mode, select the edges, and press Ctrl-B to add a bevel for smoother corners. Continuing the lip tint modeling process. Watch the rest of the video for the full modeling process. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.